One of the things that we should be learning from the triple planetary crisis is that we cannot continue extracting in the same way that we have done. That's the definition of insanity. I am concerned that instead of protecting what we need to protect today, we are destroying a very important ecosystem for humanity, one of the last ecosystems and last areas, pristine areas in the planet that we depend on. We're seeing from science about severe irreversible damage that the deep sea mining can cause. Indigenous peoples and the communities that are closer to the ocean will be the ones who be more impacted and first impacted. The Pacific Ocean has been already subject to a lot of extractive activities, including the nuclear tests, fisheries extraction, now with the impacts with climate change. So in addition to that, mining the deep sea bed in that area will increase these impacts, perpetuating these systemic inequalities that we're seeing. There are many alternatives that even the industry have highlighted that there are. There are a lot of ways that we can do the transition without destroying the oceans and without, by the way, increasing the destruction of ecosystems. We should have caution and use humanity's intelligence to find other alternatives for these minerals that today the just transition is needed. There is a responsibility of all states, of course, to respect and protect and fulfill all human rights, including the right to a healthy environment. But there is a specific, bigger responsibility of industrial wealthy nations that have contributed the most to climate change, environmental degradation, and biodiversity loss. They have the responsibility to implement a precautionary approach, which means that deep seabed mining should be either banned or has a moratorium, so that states have some time at least to gather more information to have a final decision. And this is something that, as a special rapporteur, I definitely recommend to do. Right to a clean, healthy, and sustainable environment is a reminder in law about something that Indigenous people have known and that humans should have known, that we're part of nature and that we need clean air, we need healthy ecosystems and healthy oceans to live. We cannot continue extracting everything. We have to think about how to repair and restore all ecosystems, including coastal ecosystems and oceans, instead of increasing the damages that humanity already has done.